right, welcome to the second example. This is going to be also still coming from your book, chapter 12.1. We're going to have 3 equals u over 6 minus 12. Okay? 3 equals u over 6 minus 12. Now, don't look at this as a fraction. You want to look at this as a division problem. This is not a fraction, it's a division problem. So when I write it out, it also doesn't matter that the 3 equals is over this side. The equals 3 can be on this side. It doesn't matter, it's interchangeable. That's why we use the little jail bars to help keep us organized. So I've got 3 equals u over 6 minus 12. Keep myself organized. I'm going to draw my little bars. Okay, go straight through the equal sign and leave yourself some room to work the problem, and then leave your room for the solution. All right, here we go. First, I'm going to follow PEMDAS backwards. So I'm going to start with adding and subtracting. So this is subtraction, so the opposite is addition. I'm going to do plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12. I'm going to do it on this side, and I'm going to do add 12 on this side. We have to keep our equation balanced. We don't want to look like a seesaw where you got slammed down on one side because your friend jumped off. Make sure you keep it the same on both sides. All right, you have minus 12 plus 12 cancels out. 3 plus 12 is 15. Bring down my u over 6 and stick my equal sign in there. Okay? So this now tells us that some number divided by 6 equals 15. Originally we said some number divided by 6 minus 12 equaled 3. So now that I'm working it out, I can extend my little jail bars here. Give myself some organizational room. Okay? U over 6. If it's division, I'm going to do multiplication to undo it. So I'm going to go times 6. So divided by 6 times 6, they cancel out. I got to do this on both sides. So then I get 15 times 6, and I find out that that is 90. If you weren't sure it was 90, you can write out the math or use a calculator. Bring down my u, and I get 90 equals u. Now don't forget, every single problem, if it's an equation, has a built-in answer key. Plug that number back into the original equation. And when you plug it back in, use a calculator so you know your math is right. All right, so I get 3 equals 90 over 6 minus 12. Now I'm solving this equation, so I have to do order of operations in order. 90 divided by 6 is going to give me 15. Check it with a calculator. Minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. I get 3 equals 3. And it's right. If you ever got 4 equals 3, you'd be wrong. So you need to make sure you don't get that. All right. Have a good evening.